sit there for 49 seconds.
You're videotaping me. "59 seconds, why?"
33 seconds.
For what?
I don't know. I never did this before. Talk or whatever.
Yeah, what? What do you want me to say?
Whatever.
I don't know what to say.
You know?
What do you say, bitch? It should be over.
I know.
Yeah, that's a fucking video. Fuck you.
It's called helium boost.
Make me know.